and welcome to my channel. I'm Kat, and today we're going to be talking about clutter, and that clutter is electronic clutter or email clutter. I know that email clutter can be overwhelming. Now, if you don't have email clutter, yay. If you have paper clutter, you can apply the same principle. But today it's going to be specifically about email clutter. So let's get into your email. Pull it up. When you get an opportunity, which will be a made opportunity that happens in the morning after your morning routine, or what I call morning rituals, and you've had breakfast, and you're going to take care of your paper clutter, you're also going to pull up your email or emails, and you're going to look at your inbox, and you're going to go to the bottom, and you're going to see what's down there. And if it's at the bottom, you're not reading it anyway, let's delete some. Set your alarm for 5 minutes on your phone. Set your timer for 5 minutes and start deleting. If there's something that you need to keep, my suggestion is to create a folder for that and to park it over there in that folder so you can easily find it. Healthcare, orders, I don't know, a particular name of a person that you want to keep. Maybe somebody sends you recipes every week or every month, and you want to keep them there. Create folders for the important things, and you still have to go through your folders every now and then. Start at the bottom and start deleting things that you're not using on a regular basis. Okay? Because your email is designed to help you, not hinder you, not make you feel because you've got so much stuff in there you can't even find anything. And when people said, hey, I send you an email, did you get it? It's like, I wouldn't even, you won't say this to them, but you're thinking, oh my gosh, I have no idea if I got it. I didn't see it. That's your answer. I didn't see it. Oh, I'll send it again. And now you've got your antenna up looking for that email. We don't want that. We want to be easily able to flip open and say, oh no, I didn't get it. Or, oh yeah, here it is right here. I'm sorry, I didn't read it yet. Right? And then the other thing is you need to be reading your email once a day. If you're getting a lot of emails, like if you're a working person and you're getting a lot of emails, then you want to check your emails first thing in the morning, and depending on the nature of your business, before you go home, but you might also need to check it right before lunch. It's important that you keep these things contained, and also that you delete the thank yous, especially in work. You get a lot of thank yous. Unnecessary, just get rid of those. Get rid of anything unnecessary, but make sure you build a folder section that you can put your things in, okay? Now, I know if you're working, and even at home, some of your computers are designed to clean out your email every now and then, but that's not enough. We need to be personally curating our email. So today, what are we going to do? You're going to pull it up right now. Go ahead, and if it's on your phone, flip it off. Flip me off for a minute, and don't flip me off. Turn me off for just a second. Put me on hold. Open up your email and look and say, wow, where am I? Do it now. Okay, you're back? Good. All right, so did you notice how much you have in there and why you never look at it? Or are you proud of yourself because you've been keeping it up? All right, so if you're not proud of yourself, let's start today. We're not going to clean the whole thing out at one time. That is way too much. You're just going today to work for 5 minutes in there, getting rid of unnecessary files, just getting rid of unnecessary emails. Now, if you have something from your attorney, you have a little attorney thing, you put it over there in that little folder. That's what I have. You have things you need to keep. Maybe you sold your house and you've got some documents you want to hang on to for a while. I keep them right in there, right in my folders. All right, so 5 minutes, start deleting, and then every morning while you're having your coffee, or you're on your break, or you've just come into the office or whatever, go through your email and delete for 5 minutes. 5 minutes twice a day if you're working, once a day if you're at home. 5 minutes a day, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, let's not do it on Sunday and just say we do 30 minutes. That means that you're going to be doing 2 hours or 2.5 hours a month of deleting. That's a lot. You'll get it cleaned up faster than you think. All right, and then you want to go into all your deleted mail and hit the master clear. Unless you need to check that maybe you accidentally deleted something in the most recent days, you need to delete master clear. Just get it all gone. Don't have it in there. Okay. And then if you do have files, start looking at those files and saying, do you know what those files are before you even open it? Do you know what that is? How long has it been since you put something in there? Or you might find a little nugget in there, you know? So go through those. That would be your next thing. And then every morning, go through your email. Answer the ones that need answering, delete the ones that need deleting, block the ones that need to be blocked, or unsubscribe. You don't have to do it in just a massive, and I know that's probably the biggest thing. You've got lots of advertising blasting you. Just unsubscribe for 5 minutes. And it won't stop immediately. And in a few weeks, if they're still there, unsubscribe again. Or if you can, block them. That's what I would do. Okay, I hope this helps you. I hope that you find a way to get some breathing room online. And I hope you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful. Bye.